Today we will discuss the last part of second chapter Ideas of Development, that is public facilities and development as progress over time. You know, money may not be able to protect you from all kind of diseases and sicknesses until you have to take preventive steps or take your own security and guard. Now, in the society where we see that the aspiration and the ambition of the parents are very high, they expect that the government should provide or open school and provide good facilities so that children can have an opportunity of education in the society and they can get the chance to learn and grow in educations. But in many areas where children, particularly girls, who stop their educations by not completing their and higher secondary and higher classes, because the society and the government are not taking serious of their educations, and the government that not providing basic requirement facility for the girls and boys. Now we see that in some states where we see the lower infant mortality rate, because that particular states are very serious of their and education and providing best teacher and also giving best requirement for the doctors and nurse. That is the reasons that the states are having lower infant mortality rate. But the thing that here the human to development. So and secondly the PDS distribution system also a part of the having lower infant mortality rate. So PDS system should be there available in the society, and the human development index that reported by UNDP, that every states of a country should should be given more importance on education and health as per income states. Now the second part is called development as progress over time. Some countries are higher than in connection of human development index, and some states are higher than in development like education and uh, health, and some states are much better than any other states. Now, let us see the schooling revolution in Himachal Pradesh. You know, Himachal Pradesh is a hilly regions with low density of populations. So, the government of Himachal Pradesh state put its interests and initiative to start to open the school in Himachal Pradesh by providing free and cost very little for parents and started like minimum facility like teachers, classrooms, toilets, and drinking water for the students. Now, these facilities are introduced by the Himachal government so that the parents can bring more children to educate in the school and the education of the Himachal Pradesh can grow. Now, if you see the Himachal Pradesh economically wise, it is highly better than any other states. In last example, we discussed the Himachal Pradesh is the percentage has got infant mortality rate is very less, and education rate also very high, and the attendance of the students is very high. The reason is that Himachal Pradesh spending highest budget on education of the children. It spends per children 2,500 rupees for each children, and as per government budget per children is 1,049 rupees. That means comparing to Indian government, the Himachal Pradesh government is spending the highest budget on every children's educations. That is the big reason that Himachal Pradesh has got the highest rate in education and health department. So, and there are women who are actively participated in the Active Mahila Mandals. Active Mahila Mandals, it's a rural organizations where all the women come together and discuss together to take up the financial issue into another level. And mostly the women are self-confident and financially independent. They give more importance on girls' educations as compared to boys. And if you talk about the infant mortality rate of any other states, Himachal Pradesh has got the less infant mortality rate because in that state, uh, girls, particularly girls, has got less infant mortality rate as boys or compared to other state because because they love the children educations, they love the cultures. And the third one is in many parts of our country, girls are given less priority as compared to boys. Parents think that girls are a big burden for the family. So, so that is why the girls of a country are not provided education by the parents and not given less priority in the society, so that so the girls are not coming up to a higher level of educations. They just complete their uh, they not even complete their higher educations and secondary educations. Whereas in Himachal Pradesh, the girls of Himachal Pradesh, our expectations are very high because they get big support from the parents. They give good educations so that the girls can settle in the society and they can work outside of the society and stand by best financial situations and can help to the children. So that is the big motive and big challenge of the Himachal Pradesh.